Hi, welcome back to my channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction and Mind Power. I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India, and in this video I am going to give you a demo from my live training programs on instant hypnotic inductions. And it is not actually instant hypnotic, it is shock induction. Now when you do a shock induction, you need to be careful. You need to pick up a person whom you can handle and make sure they don't have any pain in their back or neck or their shoulders. And now, before we go to the live seminars, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Please like and share and comments. So my friend, now in this live workshop, in the clipping where I am calling somebody on the stage and then giving them a shock induction. Now shock induction is a shock induction, so make sure you be careful when you do it on somebody. Make sure the person's weight you can handle, because sometimes when you do a shock induction, the person may be all over you. I understand what I'm saying? So make sure and do it carefully. Now always do this on a place where there is a carpet there, so if at all by chance the person may fall down on the floor, you don't get injured. Okay, so watch me in the live training program. Come, fit together, fit together, fit together, fit together, fit together, fit together. Take a deep breath. Faster and faster, faster and faster. And sleep. Lose limb on a relax, lose limb on a relax, lose limb on a relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. You're able to stand and relax. You will be able to stand and relax very, very deeply and comfortably. At the count of 3, when you open your eyes, I touch on your shoulder here and say the word sleep. It's trigger for you to instantly close your eyes and drop down to deep state of hypnosis. This is a trigger. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Sleep. Sleep. Very deeply relaxed. That's right. Nepal wala halka nahi hai. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Now I made a post-hypnotic. I gave him a post-hypnotic suggestion. Just facing the people. I gave him a post-hypnotic suggestion that every time I touch here and say the word sleep, he will close his eyes and go into deep state of hypnosis. So watch it again. Sleep. Very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. That's right. The count of 3, open your eyes. Feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Enjoyed, eh? So I'm removing this trigger now. It will not work anymore. Removing. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Not working? Working little bit, huh? So remove completely now.
I'm closing my eyes.
Don't close your eyes. Okay. Sleep, sleep. Not working? Now say, I want it to work. Say, I want it to work.
I want it to work.
Say one more time.
I want it to.
And sleep. Very deeply relaxed. Very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. That's right. 1, 2, 3, open your eye. Feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. Now, welcome back. And now I have showed, you have watched the video. Now remember how I did it? I asked him to take few deep breaths and his conscious mind was busy taking deep breath. Then I gave a sudden jerk and said the word sleep. And when he was there, I keep deepening it by firing the suggestions, going deeper and deeper, getting more and more relaxed. Then I make a trigger for a post-hypnotic suggestion to go into instant hypnosis. I repeated it a few times, then I took his permission. And then I counted 1, 2, 3. When he came out, I pressed the trigger and said the word sleep. He immediately went back. I did it 2, 3 times and then I removed it by rubbing the place that is no more working. And then I checked it also. Very, very important. And then I asked him that, do you want to have this trigger to work? He said yes. Then I pressed it again and said the word sleep. Again it worked. So understand the process very well and then practice on somebody. But again, precautions are very, very important. When you do it on somebody, you are responsible for what you are doing. So be careful or have a person with you to help you. So my friend, enjoy this, practice on somebody and then come back. If you really want to learn this thing in the live training programs, click on the link button, link below on the description and call us on our mobile, WhatsApp us. And if there is a workshop happening at the time of your watching this video, call us right now and attend a live training program where you learn by doing it, like what I've showed you, and then you practice there. So my friend, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now, click the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. So looking forward to seeing you soon in my workshop. Thank you. very much and all the best.